protecting our national security.
Voting for what you believe in is easy. What our troops are doing for us every day in Iraq and Afghanistan and around the world, that's hard. I'm Glenn Nye, and I approve this message because we have to win this fight.
KPII presents Disney Pixar's Toy Story 3.
For the one couple who you think deserves the money the most.
I know you guys have some questions, so I want to open it up right now. Let's clear the air. Any questions, any comments you have for Kipton and Tinley, Dave and Natalie? Let's do it now before the vote. I'm interested to find your opinion on these relationships. Do you believe in them? Do you think they're both real?
I was surprised that Dave was with Jesse virtually like the day before the Vegas trip. And I just was curious what changed.
Natalie and I were friends before the show.
Bravo!
Cross that boundary.
And so I would say that our first real kiss was in Vegas.